Global M2 money supply versus BTC. We are seeing the global M2 pull back slightly in the last week or two. The largest decline in global M2 has just occurred in the last 7 months. Since we pushed the global M2 line forward by 90 days, this means drop in global liquidity could reflect itself in BTC around late September or October 2025. Now, to be clear, we still have a lot of global M2 upward momentum to absorb. In theory, doesn't say we have to. Just because we have a high rate of correlation doesn't mean we have a perfect correlation with global M2. But if that plays out, we still have a lot of positive correlation to absorb on the way up over the next 2 months or so before maybe seeing the 150K peak. He says the big question, will this be the Bitcoin sub peak or will it mark the final peak for Bitcoin sub peak? This is just, if this is just a sub peak, it does look like a fairly significant correction could be in store for the month of late September or October, possibly longer. That would be between now and then, move up to 150K, something like that, and then see a correction back down to 110. People lose their minds, but it'd be all standard bull market stuff if this is just a pit stop on the way to the final peak. If this is final top, that means we have about 2 months left in the bull run, okay? Rather than jumping to conclusions with premature data, let's continue to keep a watchful eye on global M2 during the next several weeks. Yes, still a lot of M2 to absorb again, but we are seeing a pullback in global liquidity. That will reflect itself in the charts to some extent and likely not now, but in a few months. So watch this space, okay? I'll keep you updated.